The Eggenberg Castle Brewery has been brewing premium quality beer since 1681. Here too, water is the fundamental component for this popular favorite tipple.
It is incredibly important for us to have clean, fresh water for the brewing process. But even when the wastewater leaves the brewery, we want it to leave in a proper condition.
Thousands of bottles are cleaned and filled with beer every day here at the site, and the wastewater produced is then fed into the brewery's own wastewater treatment plant.
It all begins in the brewhouse, where the containers are routinely cleaned along with the pipes before and after each batch. And of course, in the bottling plant too, where the individual bottles are cleaned using a hot caustic soda solution. This process also generates a lot of wastewater, which then obviously needs to be cleaned and treated. That goes without saying. VTA's partnerships with its customers are based on equal footing, which means we have to provide our customers with service, products, quality, and ongoing expertise. And we believe that this is the most important part of our customer relationships.
At the brewery, quality is paramount. This begins with the hops and also encompasses reliable partners such as VTA, which provide sustained assistance with water treatment.
The resources that nature gives us, such as our clean water, are crucial for us. We have no desire to send water back to nature that is contaminated with chemicals or other substances. It is important to pre-treat and pre-clean this water again and return it to the cycle in a pristine condition.
Up to 1,000 hectoliters of beer leave the brewery every day. As far as the wastewater is concerned, the conditions here at the brewery are completely different from a public treatment plant.
Industrial treatment plants are always associated with impact loads and unforeseen developments in processes. This is where we, at VTA, have an important role to play, since we want to offer our customers optimal operational reliability.
At VTA, we've made it our mission to offer solutions that work.
This is simply our expertise in delivering adaptive products, even system products, which are tailor-made for the customer.
The Eggenberg Brewery relies on VTA's high-tech products.
The product works, and it works well for us. And that's actually all we need.
Premium quality from a premium partner.
VTA, we clean water.